Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the speakers, loosen the 2 screws on the rear of the base cover. Remove the other 7 screws. And pry the cover off the system. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the speakers and disconnect the cables. Note the speaker cable routing and remove it from the routing guides. Lift the speakers out of the system. To reinstall the speakers, place the speakers in the slots using the alignment posts and the rubber grommets. And reconnect the cables. Route the speaker cables along the routing guides. Plug in the battery cable. Place the base cover back on the system and secure it with the 9 total screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.